Is Mnangagwa still Mugabe's puppet? Social media reacts. The 13th of August 2025, President Emmerson Mnangagwa is facing renewed criticism on social media after the recent conferment of the Robert Mugabe Commendation Award for Service in Human Capital Development and Outstanding Leadership to Dr. Madeline Nyamwanza Makonese, Zimbabwe's first female medical doctor and the second in Africa. The awards ceremony, held at the National Heroes Acre in Harare on Monday, celebrated Dr. Nyamwanza Makonese's groundbreaking contributions to the medical field and her role in inspiring future generations of healthcare professionals. However, the continued use of the late Robert Mugabe's name for national honors has sparked an online backlash. Many questioned why President Mnangagwa remains so closely tied to his predecessor's legacy, with one ex-user bluntly asking, "Is Mnangagwa still Mugabe's puppet?" Critics argue the move shows Mnangagwa's reluctance or inability to fully break from the Mugabe era, despite years of projecting himself as a reformist leader. Supporters, on the other hand, insist the award simply honors Zimbabwe's history and influential figures without political undertones. The controversy has reignited debate over whether invoking Mugabe's name fosters national unity or risks deepening political and social divisions in the country.